Hello and welcome to Circuit Analysis Solutions. Now we are going to do example 2.2 in the David Irwin book. And then again this example is very easy. We are given the power absorbed by the resistor, we are given the resistor and we are asked to find the voltage and current. Now we know that power is also equal to V square divided by R, which means that V square is equal to P multiplied by R, which means that V is equal to P multiplied by R under root. So the P is 3.6 milliwatt. So that will be multiplied by the 10 kilo ohm, and we are going to then take the under root. So this is going to come out to be 6 volt. Now to find current, again we can use the Ohm's law that I is equal to V divided by R, and because 6 divided by the 10 kilo ohm, this is going to give me 0.6 milliampere. So we can use Ohm's law to find the current. So the current in the circuit is 0.6 milliampere and the voltage, this voltage source Vs is 6 volt. Thank you.